Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Red Hot Chili Peppers, and they have done it again. Great song, Not the One. So this song has kind of 70s vibe all over it. Many times Red Chili Peppers, they're kind of experimental and have different and odd, hard, strange, tough rhythms and so on, but this one is pretty much straightforward when it comes to the strumming and the chords, so pretty easy. But we have a couple chords though to learn, so let's start right away. I believe there are 10 chords for this song, so let's start with the chords. No need for any capo on this one. So the first chord will be E minor 7, very easy to play. You just hit this second fret on the A string, and the rest of the strings are all open. Open E, open D, open G, open B, open E. So that's E minor 7. Next chord is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Go on to G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next is A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have the F sharp minor next. So that's a bar on the second fret, all strings, and the rest will be fourth on A and fourth on D. Next chord is B minor, so you are keeping the bar on the second fret, but this time only 5 strings, so from A string and down, and the rest will be fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. Then we have C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have C, but with G in the bass, so that's the C G chord. You have the C as it is, but you're just gonna add the third fret on the E string. So incorporate this E string, third fret, and play all strings. I will suggest I do that you switch your fingers. Normally you have the C with the index, middle, and ring finger like this. But for the C G chord, I will suggest to play the grip like this. So you go up with your little ring finger on the third fret E string and a little pinky on the third fret A string. That's how I do it. Okay, so that's just a technique stuff there. So that's the C G chord. We have also a C E chord, and what that is, you just incorporate the open E string here, and the rest is like a C. So play all strings like that and hold the C chord. Okay, so that's kind of 3 variations of C that we need to use, and the final chord is F. So you put a bar on the first fret, all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Alright, so before we start the chords and how to play them, we're gonna look at the strumming pattern. So it will start with E minor 7, so a very easy start there. And the strumming will be very easy as well. It's about 3 downs. It sounds like this. So down, 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 like that. So that's the rhythm. Down, down, down. So it's down and kind of short break, and then down, 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 break, down, 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 break, down. Like this, okay? So very easy. Let's start with the chord progressions here. We have an intro. You're gonna play the intro for 2 rounds, 2 strumming rounds for E minor, and 2 for D. That is one short chord progression. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds. So E minor 2, D2, E minor 2, D2. Okay, let's go for the intro. So that is the intro, and then starts the verse. It starts actually in the same way as the intro. So E minor, 2 rounds, and D, 2 rounds. And again, E minor, 2 rounds, and D, 2 rounds. The chord progression continues here. We are about half into this round here. In the lyrics now we are at I do most anything to make you think that I'm the one. So on I, you're gonna play 1 round for G, and on anything you're gonna play 1 round for A, and on make you go 1 round for F sharp minor, and on that I'm the one, 1 round of G. And then we're gonna end the chord progression here in the lyrics. I do it all to get to you. So that will be 1 on B minor, then 1 on A, and the final chord is D, and you're just gonna play 1 round plus 1 down. So it's plus 1 down. All right. So that's a pretty long chord progression. But that's it. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. So just a short repetition here. E minor 2, D2. Again, E minor 2, and D2. Then G1, A1, F sharp minor 1, that's the first round. Like I said, you gotta play that for 2 rounds here in the first verse. You're gonna play it in the same way. The only difference here is on the second round there, the last chord, the D, it's just 1 down. So the D in the first round is 1 strumming round plus 1. This one is just 1 down. Okay, that builds up for the chorus, and we hit the chorus right now in the lyrics. Give me the love, and so on. Okay. So you're gonna play C, 1 strumming round, and C, G, 1 strumming round, and D, 2 rounds. You play the same again, so C, 1 round, C, G, 1 round, and D, 2 rounds. Okay, so we're about half into this chorus. In the lyrics now we are at blue stripes. So on blue, we're gonna play F1, and then CE1, on calling, and then I Can't Stop Falling, gonna play A1 and C1. And the final chords are B minor 1, C1, and you end with 1 down on D. That is the chorus. A long chord progression there as well, so a little bit quick repetition there won't hurt. So C1, CG1, D2. Again, C1, CG1, and D2. F1, CE1, A1, so that is the chorus, and that takes us to the second verse. This one is pretty in the same way as the first one. It's just a bit longer than the first verse. So I'm just gonna take you through this second verse here. And I think I'm gonna play while I'm speaking there, just tell you the chords. So yeah, I think you are able to follow me on this one. So yeah, let's go. E minor, 1, 2, sorry, D2, again, E minor 2, and D2, G1, A1, F sharp minor 1, G1, B minor 1, A1, and then E minor 2, B minor 1, A1, and D1 down only. So that is the second verse. Then comes the second chorus, played in the same way as the first one, so nothing changes there. And after the second chorus comes a guitar solo. I'm not gonna cover the solo as it is, but there are chords backing it up, and the chords are the same as one round in the verse. So that means E minor 2, D2, E minor 2, D2, then G1, A1, F sharp minor 1, G1, B minor 1, A1, and just 1 down on D. That is the background of this solo. So play that if you wish, or just skip it and go for the final last chorus, and that is actually played in the same way as the other choruses. And then it ends in the same way as it started, with E minor 2, D2, E minor 2, and D2. Play this back and forth for 4 rounds. So third round right now, and you end with the fourth and final round now. That is Red Hot Chili Peppers, Not the One. So many chords, but they're very easy to handle, and it's pretty much repetition when you go through the first parts there. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please help me out here. Give me some support and some love. Thumb up, subscribe. Cool to see this channel grow. So thank you for all your love, and play tuned.